Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called dispatching. It has nothing to do with the logistic. Here we are talking about ERP environment. Dispatching is the routine of setting productive activities in motion through the release of orders and necessary instruction according to pre-planned times and sequence of operation embodied in route sheets and loading schedules. In other words, once a job is in the area where an operation is to be performed, it has to be determined when and by whom the job will be processed and also the sequence of waiting order to be processed. The decision of assigning the various jobs to different machines and equipment is called dispatching. The final decision of dispatching ought to be taken within the constraint set up by the scheduling functions. Functions of dispatching is to check the availability of input material and ensure the movement of material from store to first process and then from process to process. The second function is to ensure the availability of all production and inspection aids. The third one is to obtain the requisite drawing, specification and material list. Next is to assign the work appropriate machine, workplace and man. Next activity is the issue of job order authorizing operation in accordance with the dates previously planned and entered on the load chart and the route sheets. Next, the issue of time tickets, instruction card and other required item to the worker who are to perform various activity. Next activity is to issue of inspection orders after each operation in order to determine result regarding quality of products. If excessive spoilage occurs, to find out its causes. Thanks for watching. Bye.